Agriculture has always been a strong component of our economy here in the Tri-County area, Mitchell, Avery, and Yancey County. Tobacco was a huge cash crop, and as we've lost that, we've looked to see what we can supplement income with. We're really excited about the Agribusiness Program. It opens up a lot of opportunities for students who are interested in agriculture, business management, or combining both of those.
This program attracted me a little more for the business side, the different aspects of it, from organic to using pesticides and things of that nature, learning about both sides of it, where I could use them on my farm to basically turn a profit on things. The agribusiness program here at Mayland is great. It not only offers you the classroom experience of learning things from a textbook, but to actually get out in the field and actually quite literally get my hands dirty, it's been a really nice change.
Certainly it's hard to compete with the large industrial growers, but we can find the niche markets for organics or grass-fed beef, pasture-raised hogs, or free-range chickens. The door is just wide open with jobs.
It's got everything you could need. Complete program. If you're actually physically doing it, you're learning the process through which it has to be done. You can pick it up and it's something you can use on your own. And not only just the farming, but the business side of it.
Jobs are available for students with this degree. They can go into production as a grower owner of their own farm and operation, agricultural chemical sales. They can go into equipment sales, financial analysis, agricultural loan officers, and claim adjusters for agricultural insurance companies.
It's something I look forward to in my week. It's a great atmosphere. It's been excellent. I mean, I couldn't ask for any better.